Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos like a pro using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're new to video editing or just want to up your game, stick around because I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you take your videos to the next level. Step 1. Setting up your project. The first step to editing a video like a pro is to set up your project correctly. This means choosing the right settings for your video, such as resolution and frame rate. In Premiere Pro, you can create a new project by selecting New Project from the File menu. From there, you can choose your settings and give your project a name. Step 2. Importing and organizing your footage. Once your project is set up, the next step is to import your footage into Premiere Pro. To do this, select Import from the File menu and navigate to your footage on your computer. Premiere Pro supports a wide range of file formats, so you should be able to import most types of footage. After you've imported your footage, it's important to organize it into bins or folders. This will make it easier to find the footage you need when you're editing. You can create new bins by right-clicking in the project panel and selecting New Bin. Step 3. Editing your video. Now it's time to start editing your video. The first step is to create a sequence by dragging your footage onto the timeline. From there, you can start trimming your footage and arranging it to tell your story. Premiere Pro has a wide range of editing tools, such as the razor tool for cutting your footage and the slip tool for adjusting the timing of your clips. You can also add transitions, titles, and effects to your footage to make it look more polished. Step 4. Color correction and grading. Once you've edited your footage, the next step is to color correct and grade it. Color correction involves adjusting the exposure, white balance, and other settings to make your footage look more natural. Color grading, on the other hand, involves adding a specific look or style to your footage. Premiere Pro has powerful color correction and grading tools, such as the Lumetri color panel, that allow you to make precise adjustments to your footage. You can also use presets or LUTs, lookup tables, to achieve a specific look. Step 5. Audio mixing. Finally, it's important to mix your audio so that it sounds balanced and professional. Premiere Pro has a range of audio tools, such as the Audio Track Mixer, that allow you to adjust the volume, pan, and other settings for your audio tracks. You can also add music, sound effects, and voiceovers to your video to enhance the audio experience. Once you've finished editing, color grading, and audio mixing your video, it's time to export it. Premiere Pro has a range of export settings that you can customize to ensure your video looks its best on different platforms. To export your video, select Export from the File menu and choose the format and settings you want. You can choose from a range of presets or customize the settings to suit your needs. Make sure to select a high-quality format and resolution to ensure your video looks its best. Step 7. Keyboard shortcuts and workflow tips to edit videos like a pro. It's important to work efficiently. Premiere Pro has a range of keyboard shortcuts and workflow tips that can help you speed up your editing process and get more done in less time. Some useful keyboard shortcuts include I and O to set in and out points, R to select the razor tool, and C to select the crop tool. You can also customize keyboard shortcuts to suit your workflow. Other workflow tips include using markers to mark important points in your footage, using the source monitor to preview and select clips, and using the Ripple Edit tool to move clips without leaving gaps. So there you have it, how to edit videos like a pro using Adobe Premiere Pro. By following these tips and tricks, you can take your videos to the next level and create content that stands out. Editing videos like a pro takes time and practice, but with the right tools and techniques, you can create content that stands out. By following these tips and tricks and experimenting with different editing styles, you can take your videos to the next level and achieve your creative vision. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!